Hi guys, so today we're out here testing 3 new Fox body armours. The Race Frame Impact CE, the Race Frame Impact SB Guard and the R3 Guard. The Race Frame Impact CE has an articulated design that hugs the body and is highly vented for maximum comfort. With the Race Frame Impact CE, you can either have a little bit more protection with the padding in, or with a slimmer fit, you can take the protection out. The Impact SB Guard has an impact-absorbing Fox F3 armour that provides CE level coverage while hugging your body for full range of motion. The low-profile bonded construction allows for versatile use under or over the jersey. So another really great feature about this Impact SB Guard is that it comes with a removable front impact guard. So the last one from Fox is the R3 Guard. The R3 Guard is the guard that you can wear over your jersey and not under, and it has the shoulder pads as well. The R3 Guard has adjustable shoulder and waist straps to allow for customisable fit. It has a ventilated main body shell that provides plenty of airflow while blocking roost and debris. So we've got all 3 body armours here today. I'm going to be trying all 3 body armours and I'm going to be telling you what I like best. So I've just come back from riding. The body armour that I like the most would probably be the CB one. The reason for that is because I really like the protection that it gives you on the front and how it wraps around your body, and it gives you quite good protection on the back as well. I did have a crash on the R3 and that gave me really good protection over the shoulders. I did get swapped over the whoops and that threw me quite hard into the dirt, and that gave me really good protection throughout the shoulders and throughout the chest. The one that I liked the most was the CB because of the comfortability that it gives you.